In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell a Wix website template using Gumroad. The goal here is to package your Wix design in a way that's simple, professional, and easy for customers to access after they buy. We'll go from preparing the template inside Wix all the way to setting up delivery in Gumroad so the transfer link is sent automatically. First, create your template in Wix and generate either a transfer site link or a shareable template link. This is the version of your website that your customer will receive. So before generating the link, make sure the template is polished and ready to go. Check the layout, test the sections, and confirm that everything looks the way you want someone else to duplicate and use. Once you're satisfied, create the transfer or shareable template link inside Wix and copy it carefully, since this link will be the main item you're delivering to the buyer. Next, place that Wix transfer link somewhere your customer can easily access. One option is to paste it into a PDF instructions document. This works well if you want to include short guidance on how to use the template after purchase. Another option is to paste the link directly into the content tab on Gumroad. If you want a faster and more streamlined setup, adding it directly into Gumroad can be the easiest approach. Whichever method you choose, make sure the link is correct and fully functional before moving on. After that, create a new product on Gumroad and give it a clear title in this format: Wix website template, followed by the name of the template. A clean descriptive title helps customers immediately understand what they're buying. It also makes your product page look more professional and organized, especially if you plan to sell multiple templates later. Then, add preview screenshots of your Wix site to the cover section. This is a very important part of the listing because customers want to see the design before purchasing. Choose screenshots that clearly show the homepage, important sections, and the overall visual style of the template. Make sure the images are clean, high quality, and easy to understand at a glance. Finally, publish the product and set it up so the transfer link is delivered automatically upon purchase. This is what makes the process efficient and scalable. Once the product is live, buyers can purchase your template and instantly receive access without you needing to send anything manually. Before promoting the product, it's a good idea to review the full customer experience one last time to make sure everything is working smoothly from purchase to delivery.